In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Nvidia control panel display settings missing or not showing. If you've ever encountered this issue, you know how frustrating it can be to want to tweak or optimize your display settings, only to find that crucial options are seemingly gone. Fear not, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward process that should help you regain access to those settings. First, let's start by making sure that the Nvidia control panel is installed and updated on your system. You can do this by navigating to your system's desktop, right-clicking on a blank area, and looking for the Nvidia control panel in the context menu. If it's not there, the software might not be properly installed, and you'll need to visit the official Nvidia website to download and install the latest version of the drivers for your graphics card. It's always a good idea to keep your drivers up to date, as updates can resolve issues and improve performance. Assuming you have the control panel, let's move on. Go to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and right-click it, selecting Task Manager. You're going to want to check if the Nvidia Display Container LS is running. This is crucial because this service is responsible for much of the back-end work of your display settings. If it's not running, you should navigate to the Services tab in Task Manager, look for the Nvidia Display Container LS, right-click, and choose Start. Sometimes, simply stopping and restarting the service can solve the problem. If the service is running, but you're still not seeing the settings, the next thing to try is checking your graphics card settings. Head to your Device Manager. On Windows, you can find this by searching for Device Manager in your Start menu. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section and locate your Nvidia graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search automatically for the updated driver software. A reboot afterwards can sometimes apply changes that resolve the issue. Now, if the issue persists, it might be due to outdated or corrupt registry entries. To address this, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key R, type in regedit, and hit Enter. Remember, editing the registry can be risky, and it's advisable to back up your registry first. Navigate to the registry path, HKey Local Machine Software Nvidia Corporation Global NVCPL API. Check for any unusual entries. A simple cleanup can at times do wonders. Lastly, if you've followed these troubleshooting steps and continue to encounter issues, consider uninstalling the Nvidia drivers entirely through the Add or Remove Programs feature in Windows and reinstalling a fresh download from the Nvidia website. Reinstalling can often clear up any lingering issues that updates might not fix on their own. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you should be able to restore those missing Nvidia control panel display settings and take full control of your display once more. Remember, patience and a methodical approach are key to troubleshooting, so don't get discouraged if the first attempt doesn't yield the desired result. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!